Unlock the secret to exploding your blog's readership using the revolutionary power of Deepseek AI. Are you tired of your blog posts gathering dust? What if you could not just improve your traffic, but 10x it? Today, we're diving deep into how Deepseek AI can be your ultimate tool for exponential blog growth and increased online visibility. Step 1. Supercharge your keyword research. Forget manual digging. Deepseek AI excels at identifying trending topics and high volume, low competition keywords relevant to your niche. Simply input your core subject and let the AI surface the exact phrases your target audience is searching for. This guarantees your content is discoverable from day one. Step 2. Craft irresistibly compelling content. Deepseek AI isn't just about keywords, it's a powerful content generation engine. Use it to brainstorm article ideas, generate detailed outlines, and even draft engaging introductions and conclusions. The AI can help you identify content gaps, suggest innovative angles, and ensure your writing is optimized for search engines and reader engagement. Step 3. Amplify your reach and engage your audience. Once your masterpiece is ready, Deepseek AI can help you refine your titles for maximum click-through rates and even suggest social media captions to promote your posts across platforms. It can analyze audience sentiment, helping you understand what resonates and prompting you to create more of what your readers love, fostering a loyal community and driving repeat traffic. By strategically leveraging Deepseek AI for content optimization, precise keyword research, and enhanced audience engagement, you're not just writing blog posts, you're building a traffic-generating powerhouse. This is your roadmap to not just online visibility, but exponential blog growth. Start implementing these steps today and watch your readership soar.